Hey guys, I'm excited to share with you 3 ways I used macrame to create napkin decor for the holidays this year. These are fun, simple items that just take a few minutes to whip up but add a nice touch for the holiday season. As always, if you're enjoying my tutorials, a quick like, comment, and subscribe really helps me out. Thanks so much. Let's get started. Cut 1 piece of 3mm string in the color Christmas red that is 1 foot long. Cut 1 piece of 3mm string in the color Eucalyptus that is 15 inches long and 1 piece that is 4 feet long. Fold the 15-inch piece in half. Fold the 1 foot piece in half and tie a bow around the eucalyptus string about 2 inches down from the top. Fold the 4 foot piece in half to find the center and then tie a square knot. Tie a second square knot about 1 inch down from the first. Push the square knot up the filler cords to create loops on the sides of your work. Create 3 more square knots, leaving a bit more space in between each square knot to create bigger loops. Trim the ends. This is a similar design to the first, but I wanted to show you what it would look like to add a ring and use a neutral color to create your tree instead. Cut 1 piece of 3mm natural string that is 1 foot long and 1 piece that is 4 feet long. Fold it in half to find the center and then attach it to your 1.5 inch ring using a cowhitch knot. Tie 5 square knots, leaving a bit more space in between each square knot as we did to create the first napkin holder. Trim the ends. Cut 3 pieces of 8mm natural string, each piece is 6 inches long. Cut a 2-foot piece of 3mm natural string. Set them aside for now. Cut a piece of 5mm natural string that is 2 feet in length. Fold it in half to find the center and then tie an overhand knot about 2 inches down from the fold. Add 1 large bead and 2 medium beads to the ends. Grab the 3 8mm pieces of string and lay them in between the 5mm string. Tie a reef knot to secure the 8mm string in place. Brush out the string. Grab your 3mm string and tie a gathering knot wrapping the string 3 times. Cut the top and then brush out the bottom to create more fringe. Trim the ends. Thanks so much for watching.